To enable battery saver on Realme GT 7 Pro, first we can open our settings. Then scroll down and keep looking for the battery section. You can click on it and then there's the battery mode. And we can enter power saving mode with the switch right here, or enter super power saving mode with the switch also right there. And depending on whichever one you choose, one drastically changes your entire interface, and this one actually doesn't, and it just decreases the brightness and adjusts a few settings in the background to lower battery usage. Or we can enter super power saving mode, which, as I said, drastically changes on how your phone actually looks like, but saves a lot of battery. As you can see, when I have 25%, it will last up to 12 hours of usage before my phone charges down.